Snake engineering, mastering motion without limbs. Let's slide quietly across the ground into a world where movement needs no legs, no wheels, and no machines. A world shaped by a strange engineer, one that became more efficient not by adding parts, but by removing them. The snake, the silent architect of motion, the master of adaptation. Secret 1. Wave mechanics. How to generate forward motion without limbs. What we call slithering is actually a precise system of physics, friction, and force distribution. First, lateral undulation, the classic S-curve. The snake bends into an S shape, pushing its body against tiny points of resistance, a pebble, a root, a rough patch of soil. Each micro-push becomes part of a larger, powerful movement. Second, rectilinear motion, the conveyor belt body used by giants like anacondas. The belly scales anchor to the ground, while the rest of the body glides forward over them, a biological conveyor system without a single wheel. Third, concertina motion, the accordion technique. In tight tunnels, the rear half anchors, the front extends. Then the front anchors and the rear pulls forward, like an accordion coming to life. Fourth, sidewinding, the desert master stroke. To survive soft, hot sand, the snake lifts parts of its body and touches the ground at only 2 points at a time. Minimal friction, minimal heat, maximum control. Engineering inspiration. This is where snake robots were born. Long, articulated machines designed to enter collapsed buildings, inspect pipes, explore reactors, and navigate spaces no human or traditional robot can reach. Secret 2. The unhinged jaw. Engineering for the impossible. A human jaw is a single solid arch. A snake's jaw is a masterpiece of flexibility. Two independent halves. The lower jaws aren't fused, they're connected by elastic ligaments. Each side moves on its own. The snake walks its mouth forward. Right side holds, left side advances. Then the opposite, it's mechanical, not chaotic. Swallowing the impossible, the jaws can spread far beyond the width of the skull, allowing the snake to consume prey many times wider than its head. Engineering inspiration. This idea inspired adaptive robotic grippers, tools that reshape themselves to grip irregular objects with precision and stability. Secret 3. The split tongue, a 3D chemical radar. The snake's forked tongue isn't for tasting, it's a stereo sensor. Collecting chemical particles, every flick gathers scent molecules from the air. High-resolution stereo analysis. Each tine enters a separate chamber of Jacobson's organ. The brain compares right versus left chemical intensity, creating a directional smell map of the environment. A biological radar made of chemistry. Engineering inspiration. This principle powers multi-point chemical sensors used to locate gas leaks and trace hazardous materials with pinpoint accuracy. Conclusion: a masterclass in engineering by subtraction. The snake proves that evolution's genius isn't always additive. Sometimes brilliance comes from radical simplification. No limbs, yet superior mobility. No vision advantage, yet a 3D chemical map. No rigid jaw, yet unmatched flexibility. A creature that turns friction into propulsion, scent into navigation, simplicity into dominance. This is the engineer of survival, the architect of quiet power. and only the first chapter in a journey through natural designs that will reshape how you see engineering itself. Are you ready for the next discovery? Until our paths cross again, may your mind glimpse what lies beneath the surface. And never forget, here begins the journey to uncover the essence of the world. With you, Shaimaa Elseyoufi. If this vision moved you, let it live through your support.